In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can attempt to purchase Minecraft Java Edition using an Amazon gift card, even if it's not directly possible in your region. Now, many of us enjoy the flexibility and convenience of Amazon gift cards. They're a great way to make purchases online. However, you might encounter issues when trying to buy certain digital products like Minecraft Java Edition directly from Amazon, especially if you're outside the supported regions. But don't worry, we'll navigate through this together with a sensible workaround that may help you achieve your goal. First, let's begin by ensuring that your Amazon account is appropriately set up. You'll want to make sure you have redeemed your Amazon gift card to your account. This action will credit your Amazon balance with the value of your gift card. Once you confirm that the balance has been updated, you're ready to move to the next step. Now, head over to Amazon's search bar and enter keywords like Minecraft Java Edition PC/Mac download code. This search will help you locate any available listings for the game that are possible to purchase within your region. As an example, if you're browsing through Amazon India, you might come across a listing called Minecraft Java Edition PC/Mac gift card code. This is the kind of listing we're after. However, before rushing to make a purchase, it's crucial to confirm the legitimacy of the listing. Check that the seller is either Amazon itself or a trusted, authorized seller. The listing should be a digital code suitable for your region. This requirement is essential because codes can sometimes vary by geographic location, and using one for the wrong region may not work as intended. Once you have identified a listing that fits all these criteria, you can use your redeemed Amazon balance to make the purchase. After the transaction, you will receive a digital code or a download link via email or through your Amazon account. The final step involves redeeming this code. Head over to the official Minecraft site, where it will prompt you to enter the code. Following this, you'll be able to download and install Minecraft Java Edition directly to your device. Keep in mind, if at any point you encounter challenges with availability or region compatibility, the official Minecraft Store's website can be a great resource. They provide a list of authorized sellers and purchasing options specific to your location, which can guide you in finding the right digital edition for your needs. So there you have it. A method to potentially purchase Minecraft Java Edition using your Amazon gift card. With a little bit of research and verification, you can overcome those regional barriers and get started on your Minecraft adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!